Hello, today I'm going to walk you through my climate change policy Google form. So this is the editor, and here you can create new options, and you can create questions and select from multiple different question types. You can create an answer key and assign points. You can also make the question required. And so I created 10 questions here, and I asked a couple people to take this test or quiz. This is kind of what they saw, uh, and when they submitted, they could see the answers that they got correct and the answers that they got wrong and the correct answer, and also their total score. And I can see that as well in the responses section here. I get a nice summary of the point distribution, frequently missed question, and scores, and a breakdown of the different questions and the distribution of the answer choices. I can also go to the individual person and see what they selected. So this is a very advantageous tool for teachers. So this is just a short overview of my climate change policy Google form.